Today I'm going to go over how to change out a front turn signal bulb, this guy, on a Chevy Silverado. This is a 2024, but they usually do these for a couple years, so this will be applicable to other models. So the first thing you need to do here is turn your wheel out. This will gain you access to here. You cannot get to this from the hood. You have to turn the wheel out, pull this wheel well cover off to get in there. Then you're going to have one of these snaps you're going to need to pop out from here. The way these snaps work is you slide a screwdriver in, you pop it up, and then you pull the whole thing out. There's a little mechanism that expands it, and this contracts it to pop it out. You only have one of these to do. Then the next thing you do is you have 6 of these Torx T15. So you'll need a Torx wrench to get those out. And then also, if you're handling any bulbs, use gloves. I'll have links to the bulb, gloves, and tools in the description. So we look up here and we have, these are where all those bolts were. Here, 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 and then there's another one right here. So that's where all our bolts are. So then we go in, and that right there, that is our turn signal bulb. And that's the one we're going to be pulling out. I'm going to reach in, I'm going to turn counterclockwise. It is firm, so you give it a good firm push, and there's a seal that you're fighting, and that's it. There's our bulb. I'll have a link in the description for this bulb. This, we're going to pull straight out. Woo, it's hot. And give it some time to cool off. Then when you go to put your new bulb in, throw it right there into your carrier. Then this goes in, twist it. Let's see, you got to find the little notches that it fits in. There we go. You'll feel it fit into place. Then you're going to go clockwise, and you're going to feel just a little click back in. So that's it. That's how you do the turn signal there. If this was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Then we're going to put the whole wheel well back together. Our 6 screws here, 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 over here. There's another one back here, and then our plug right here. Just so this gives us that, getting all those out gives us enough room for this to kind of move. But that's how you do it. If this was helpful and you like no nonsense tutorials, please leave a comment and like. And then if you need any of the bulbs, tools, they'll be in the description. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time.